What if I told you that? With just $250, you could become part of one of Italy's most remarkable economic growth stories. An investment opportunity that not only benefits your wallet, but also supports sustainability, innovation, and community development. Interested? Stay tuned to learn how. Welcome to Govital Base, where your investments meet opportunity. Italy is transforming its natural resource strategies, and the numbers speak for themselves. Gas production up 25%, renewable energy installations surging, and oil production breaking records. Govital Base gives you exclusive access to these high-growth sectors. Why now? Because the future waits for no one. But why wait to get started? If you're ready to explore this incredible opportunity, click the link in the description or simply Google Govital Base to visit our official website. Register today and see how easy it is to begin your journey toward financial growth and stability. Massive growth in natural resources. Over the past few years, Italy has become a leader in sustainable and resource-driven growth. Renewable energy capacity alone has increased by 35%, while oil and gas production has drastically reduced the country's reliance on imports. Low entry threshold. With a minimum investment of just $250, Govital Base ensures accessibility for everyone, from beginners to seasoned investors. It's never been easier to start building your financial future. Diverse opportunities, oil, gas, renewable energy, agriculture, and even water resources. Govital Base connects you to the most promising sectors for long-term stability and growth. How to get started in 3 easy steps. Register your account. Simply fill out the form on our official website. Find the link in the description below. It only takes a few minutes to get started. Fund your wallet. With just $250, you can fund your wallet and gain access to an exclusive analytics dashboard. This is your gateway to making informed investment decisions. Choose your investment direction. From oil and gas to renewables and agriculture, the choice is yours. Govital Base provides the insights you need to pick the sectors that align with your goals. What makes Govital Base different? Exclusive bonuses. New users enjoy special benefits, including reduced fees and personalized support from expert managers. Data-driven insights. Our platform offers advanced analytics, ensuring you have the information needed to make confident investment choices. Security you can trust. With cutting-edge technology, Govital Base safeguards your data and funds, letting you focus on building your future. Don't wait for opportunity to knock twice. Visit the official Govital Base website by following the link in the description or simply Google Govital Base to learn more. The time to act is now. Start your journey to financial success today. Whether you're a first-time investor or a seasoned pro, Govital Base offers the tools, support, and opportunities you need to thrive. Take the first step now and join a growing movement shaping Italy's future while securing your own. Thanks for watching.